Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Diamond, and once again we have a challenging project to have emerald cut design, as you can see here, for a special customer that like to have the baguette in the two sides. It's a taper baguette diamond. So obviously, of course, we find out the beautiful diamond. You can take a look. It's GIA certified. It's more than a carat size, and it's a very high quality diamond. It's a VS diamond, and we came out already after we finished the design. We came out with the casting. So look how beautiful it is, even before setting and before we clean up the ring. So the way it's gonna go, this beautiful emerald cut gonna be after we clean up the ring and prepare it for setting. It will go here, and there is two taper baguettes going to the two sides. So what do you think, guys? So that's one step or two steps before we're finishing the ring. So what we have to do now basically is clean up the ring, prepare it for setting, set the ring, set the diamond, 3 diamonds to set, and tomorrow it should be ready for Christmas. I think that somebody will be very, very happy with this present. See you soon. Ciao. So now what we're doing for the emerald cut ring here, we're just working on the surface. It has to be smooth, and the real face of the ring, actually this is what we're working on now. So like we said before, the devil is in the details. A little screwed up and we screwed the ring. But don't worry, guys. One surface at a time. So after we were working on the surface, the exterior surface, we have to clean up and work on the inside corners of the shank. So it should be comfortable for the ladies to wear it on. So it's inside out treatment. Start to get the right reflection, the right color. Start to look like a ring and not like a construction metal. And now after we set up the shape of the ring, now this is we have to finalize the real face of the surface. So look how it gets the reflection. Look at the shape of the ring. Now it started to look like jewelry. This is the most important part of the transformation, from having a metal in front of us to having a beautiful jewelry. Sweet. Too much, just you're losing gold for no reason. You have to know exactly when to stop and on what surface to work. So now we are at the most critical part, that we're setting the main stone here. It's a big emerald cut, as you guys know already, and just a little mistake here, it's either we lose the stone in the future, or we're just not gonna see the full effect of the beauty of the VS quality diamonds. So we cannot compromise nothing here. And as you all know that it's all have to be perfect or nothing. So we're gonna work very hard to make it perfect. Again, very tricky here.
See, my initial cut was there.
Yeah.
I have to go another step lower.
Yeah, so what we have to do basically here, you can see on the big screen, we have to set the stone a little bit lower so it will be all protected all over. So our goal here is to set the diamond in a way that maximum diamond and minimum metal to hold it without to lose any security or any safety.
That's where it's gonna go. Yeah, I'm comfortable with this.
Yeah,
You?
excellent.
You
Yeah,
okay with this?
yeah, look good.
I think so too. All right.
The perfect proportion.